What's up guys, Jaden here and you're watching New South Wales Trains Vlogs. I'm currently just at Sydenham station on the interchange between the T3 Bankstown line and the T4 Eastern Suburbs and Illawarra line. So in this video, basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be filming some trains here for you guys, as well as recording some of the footage or some of the work that they're doing for the Sydney Metro upgrade. As you can see, just behind that fence there is the remains of platforms 1 and 2 here at Sydenham. And I'll take you guys for a walk up the other end where they are now currently building a new concourse. So I'll take you up for that. But for now, I'll just be filming some trains here for you guys. And yeah, sit back, enjoy it, and thank you for watching.
Smoking is not allowed at this station or on trains. Fines apply. Thank you.
Start off with the Bondi Junction service. T99 leading. Sorry, T98 leading. And T15 trailing. Alright guys, now at the Sydney end of platform number 4 and 5. As you can see, the new concourse is being built. You can see over there platform number 6. You got new destination boards up there. So those are brand new. Up there. There's also ones over there too, and over on platform number 4, sorry, and most likely on platform number 3. So over there, platform number 3 too, and yeah, so these are the stairs for platforms 4 and 5. As you can see over there, they're building the Sydney Metro platforms. As you can see, platform 3 is now bigger and B8 is now about to block it out. So you got the new lift shaft, you got the stairs down to platforms 1 and 2 over there. 2 and 3 over there. Over there you've got just over there where that black thing is over there. I'm not sure what that is. I think that might be something to do with the opening of it, of platform number 1, but yeah. After I film this B8 departing, I will head over to platform number 3. This is what platforms 1 and 2 look like now. As you can see, they're building the extension of platform 1. Now on platform 3, I'll just take you guys for a walk down platform 3. As you can see over there, back there was boarded up through to the remnants of platform number 2. So, as you can see down here, this used to be all closed and now it's opened. Through here, you can see through here how they're building the platforms. So as you can see, platform 3 never used to be this big. This is the destination boards for platform number 3. The new lift shaft. Through here, right at the end. As you can see, it's now been extended through to the end here. No, this isn't an aeroplane video, but I just thought I'd feature it. So down there you can sort of see where platforms 2 is over there, where platform 2 is going to be. And on this side, you might be able to get a better view. I'll just pop the camera up over there. So yeah, that's pretty much what's happened so far here at Sydenham. I'll just poke over to there. And through there is where platforms 1 and 2 will be when it reopens. Pop the camera through. You can see there and over there the new platforms 1 and 2 when they reopen. Down here you got the new lift shaft. Yeah, so I guess that's all I can show you guys. Of course, over there you got the new concourse for platforms 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, no, 4, the complete opposite, 4, 5 and 6. So yeah, I guess that's all I can show you guys. So yeah, I will keep, so yeah, until the next train comes, yeah. I will come back in a few months' time just to see the work that they're doing. As you guys may know, later on this month, when during school holidays, the T3 Bankstown line will be closing between Sydenham and Bankstown to get ready for the conversion to Sydney Metro. It will not be being converted just yet, but it will be being prepared for conversion. So I will come back here throughout that time, just when the Bankstown line's closed, and I will come back in a few months' time for another update, as well as I have so much else to do, like there's the Redfern new concourse, there's the central upgrade for the new northern concourse, and the new Sydney Metro platforms. Yeah, so here comes AB set now into platform 4, bound for Liverpool. It's B38. B30. So for the Series 2 Waratahs now, all that's left to enter service is B40 and B41. B1 to B39, sorry, are now in service. I'm going to try and attempt a thumbnail when this train departs. As you can see, there is also a Tangara departing platform 5. I'll just give you guys another quick look over the fence. Just gotta get a thumbnail. We should have a city service approaching shortly. Approaching platform number 3 shortly. And you can see signal is green, so which means that it's got a clear road. So we should have the City Circle service approaching shortly. It's due out in 2 minutes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of me talking in videos, because I've always thought talking in videos wasn't really good because then you can't really hear the sound. But let me know what you guys think of me talking in videos, because I will increase it slightly at the very slightest of details, if you guys would like. But at the moment I'll just be filming trains, not talking at all. So yeah, that's pretty much just the way I'm working at the moment. And you guys may think I am very similar to Phil from Sydney Trains Vlogs, but I am telling you, I am not like him. Even though my thumbnails are the same, my logo is very similar. I am not copywriting him. So if you guys are thinking that, please do not tell me that, because I already know I'm not trying to be like Phil. I'm not trying to copy him. I just like his videos, and that's just how it works. So yeah.
Scooters or skates on the concourse or platforms is not permitted.